Hi, my name is Chai Wong Jie from 3BMMMS1 Troop 1, matrix number B0920100016. Today, my group will present on the title Instrument Calibration of Thermal Imager, and my group members' names are below. For introduction, the history of instrument calibration traces back to ancient civilizations' basic measuring tools, but the former concept developed during the Renaissance. The Industrial Revolution and the rise of manufacturing processes increased the demand for accurate measurements, leading to the establishment of national metrology institutes and advancements in calibration practices. The 20th century saw significant technological advancements and the integration of calibration into quality management systems in various industries. Today, calibration is a well-established practice that ensures accuracy, compliance, and safety by comparing measurements against reference standards and providing traceability. The process of calibration holds significance as it ensures accurate measurements, forming the basis for quality, safety, and advancement in the majority of products and services we depend on in our daily lives. All instruments experience changes in their properties over time, and the speed of such changes is influenced by various factors including environmental conditions and frequency of usage. Calibration enhances confidence in achieving accurate measurements, which are essential for research, development, innovation, and the manufacturing of countless products and services worldwide. Calibration guarantees accurate measurements, which in turn enhance safety by facilitating the maintenance of an optimal environment for particular processes, especially tools that require the utmost sensitivity. Miscalibration presents significant risks such as personal injury and avoidable expense. For definitions will be discussed according to the keywords of the topic, which are instrument calibration, thermal imager, and centrifugal pump. For instrument calibration is the process of checking and adjusting an instrument to ensure its accuracy and reliability. In the field of measurement technology and metrology, calibration entails the comparison of measured values acquired from the equipment being tested with the non-accurate values of a calibration standard. If necessary, appropriate adjustments are made. At times, manufacturers opt to send their reference instruments to calibration centers to guarantee adherence to national standards. Calibration is essential for maintaining the quality and validity of measurements taken by instruments in various fields such as science, engineering, manufacturing, and healthcare. For thermal imager, the detection tool used by thermographers is thermal imager. These sophisticated devices capture the naturally emitted infrared radiation from heated objects and produce thermal image. Portable in nature, modern thermal imaging cameras offer user-friendly controls for convenient operation. Non-contact inspections involve no physical contact with the system and can be performed while the equipment is fully operational. This means there is no need to shut down the production process or experience any downtime, ensuring continuous production without any loss. Possible uses include inspecting electrical and mechanical equipment, evaluating refractory lining structures, and measuring temperature through the use of infrared technology. For centrifugal pumps enable the conveyance of fluids by converting the rotational kinetic energy into the hydrodynamic energy of the fluid flow. This energy source is typically derived from either an engine or an electric motor. These pumps are commonly used in sewage, agriculture, water, petrochemical, and petroleum pumping. Centrifugal pumps are the most widely used pump type and outperform other pumps due to their simplicity of design, wide range of capacities, smooth flow, ease of maintenance, and operating efficiency. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. My name is Muhammad Razif Rizal and I will continue my presentation about my group. Okay, the instrument identification for thermal camera. Okay, first of all, the first is a focal plane array, is FPA. The camera is ready to create a thermal image, means we can detect the cold heat and the hot spot and cold spot. Okay, and the lens field of view, FOV of the camera is focus of visual, means the wide of the camera. Okay, and third is detector. Detector means the component that convert the heat energy into electrical signal. Okay, and the display, it shows the thermal imager to the user, which means we can difference between the hot spot and the cold spot. Okay, okay, the line symbol for the camera, which means you can see at the table the symbol and the meaning. Okay, such as a focus, image scale, temperature scale, hotspot, cold spot, and zoom. All it is as a meaning for the indicate to the focus point of the camera, indicate the scale of image for image scale, which means the scale of the image will be or size the focusing on the condition on image. Okay, the temperature scale means the indicate the temperature scale of the image, which means at the side of the thermal image we can see the bar. Okay, after this I will show the image of the we can see at the indicator of the thermal camera. Okay, the hot spot, cold spot, the usual, and the zoom, which means we can zoom in and zoom out of the picture of the camera. Okay, at the picture we can see the temperature indicator, cold spot, the blue area, the heat speed, the heat spot, heat and temperature scale, and cold spot. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faik Firdaus with matrix number B0920102257. Now I will talk about the principle or measurement of thermal camera. The resolution, field of vision, focus, thermal sensitivity, and spectral range of thermal camera are some of the variables that affect the primary measurement. In order to identify the thermal radiation emitted by object, the camera gathers infrared light in the thermal infrared range 8 micrometer to 14 micrometer. The difference between the gray value of each object is utilized to create an image once thermal radiation has been detected in order to locate and identify the target. At least 3 times 3 pixels on your target to ensure you are obtaining an accurate result. The accuracy of the body temperature measurement depends on two factors: sensor resolution and measurement instrument uncertainty. A non-contact method of assessing an object temperature is to measure its radiation intensity. An object long wavelength infrared radiation is measured by thermal camera. The amount of infrared radiation an object emits is inversely proportional to its temperature. Factors that determine the frequency of thermal imaging for centrifugal pump. First, we have pump critically. More regular thermal imaging may be necessary if the pump is essential to the operation in order to identify potential problems early and prevent unexpected failure. Next, operating condition. The pump may need more regular thermal imaging to find possible problems if it operates in difficult circumstances like hot or corrosive environment. Maintenance plan. The thermal imaging may be performed more regularly if the pump is a part of an extensive condition monitoring program in order to identify potential problems early and avoid surprise breakdown. To measure centrifugal pump using thermal camera, follow this procedure. First, we need to purchase an infrared thermal imaging camera. Second, by turning it on, warm up the thermal imaging camera. Third, focus the camera on the top of the centrifugal pump. Fourth, pay attention to the temperature measurement on the camera display. Fifth, keep a watch out for any thermal anomalies or hotspots that can indicate yearly failure of other issues. Six, record the temperature reading and any observation for future use. Seven, employ a thermal imaging camera for regular centrifugal pump condition monitoring and yearly failure detection. In conclusion, thermal cameras have a variety of applications in the manufacturing industry. They are flexible technical tools that raise workplace productivity and security. The usage of thermal cameras in industrial research and development allows for the ability to analyze characteristics that are essential for creating new products. It has also been suggested and researched to use infrared camera as communication receiver in the industrial industry. Thermal cameras are incredibly helpful too with a range of applications, including locating electric system hotspots and spotting energy loss in structure. That's all. Thank you.